what? Are we starting early? What is going on, guys? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great start to your Monday morning. Alex O'Crypto here in the house. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Crypto Pollo in the chat. Crypto Pollo. He's looking at Algo. He's looking at Algo. Algorand. Triple top. Triple top. Triple top. Triple top. Triple top. Algorand. What's going on, Pollo? Cluck, cluck, motherfuckers. It's Monday, man. It's Monday, man. You got your 15 cent area here, banging on the top. Will we hit? We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. I'm doing my my degen clicking skills here. Nah, I'm kidding. Okay. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's 8:30 in the morning. Monday morning. Hope you're all doing well. Let's get into it, man. Bitcoin's pumped overnight. Bitcoin's pumped overnight, and we are here. Have no fear. Let's jump in and look at this weekly hammer time candle. Darren does things. What's going on? Are you lurking? I see you retract that message there. Darren does things. What's good, Otters, he says. What's going on? DDT, he's lurking and working. Lurking and working and lurking and working. Man, I'm in a good mood this morning. How are you guys all feeling? What a pump this week. And we got a big-ass hammer candle, man. This is looking pretty bullish. Okay, on our weekly. The weekly has printed. Weekly shit candle. Sus as fuck. Oh, man. I agree. What is that? Right? We were down here, you know, it was a hammer candle, but it was at least red. Now it's green, and obviously it's orange, but you know what I mean? Like, this is scary, man. This is this is a fake out all in itself. It's all a mirage, man. It's all a mirage. So if you're looking at this weekly candle, you're probably questioning your life choices right now and not buying Bitcoin at 25K. G Corp, E Corp, what's going on, my man? The man, congratulations, selling your Jeep. You're going to Mexico, right, my man? Hope you're having a great day, brother. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for checking out Mrs. Otter's video. She said thank you very much. Of course. So the weekly here, sus as fuck, as Darren said. Wow. Okay, so the weekly's come up. It's curling over. It's flat up top, but it is looking to cool off. When will it cool off? Who knows? But we know who isn't cooling off is this guy right here. That was such a transition and not planned. Okay? This guy ain't cooling off, man. So this pro-Bitcoin candidate, Javier Milei, or Millie? Mark Dutch Otters. Who are these Otters? What's going on, Dutch? Mark Dutch, the man, the myth, the legend. How's it going, Mark? Hope you're having a great day. Hope you had a good weekend, brother. Hope you had a good weekend. We're just looking at some goods here on looking at your goods. We're looking at your goods on Monday morning. Okay, so we got Javier here. Mr. Javier, he wins the election. Pro-Bitcoin. And BTC breaks 37,000. So this is the talk of the town lately. Why? Because this guy, you know, after triple-digit inflation, impending recession, and increasing poverty, you know, I think they were getting a little bit fed up in Argentina. Okay, so Javier is coming in. He said he's going to change a lot of things, okay? He speaks positively about Bitcoin. Represents the return of money and the private sector, which is which is its true owner. Okay, that's pretty cool. We got a little bit of a pump. However, he caused some controversy. Okay, so we got to be good. Had a great weekend. Hope you had a great one too. Yeah, we just we pretty much had a quiet weekend, but yesterday we had our Grey Cup in Canada, which is like Canadian Super Bowl. You know, Green Day played there. It wasn't, you know, Beyonce, but it was Green Day. It was good. Me and my grandfather watched that. Had a good giggle. He won $5 off of me because, you know, you got to bet. And then we went for dinner with friends. So, you know, wonderful weekend. Thanks for asking, Mark. So this Milail, we'll call him Javier because I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this last name right, but Javier here, you know, is more cautious than El Salvador's Bitcoin-loving ruler, Nayib Bukele. However, Javier here, he promises economic shock therapy. His plans include closing the central bank, removing the peso from circulation, and cutting spending. These reforms resonate with voters angry at the poor economic and feared austerity in others. Okay. Oh, so big bullish news for Bitcoin. Okay, I thought that's the only news I got for you guys. This ain't a news channel. This is like, let's look at some damn candles, man. Okay, but it's bullish news nonetheless. So we got some suspicious weekly candle here for Monday. What do you guys think about that weekly candle? That's a pretty hammer time candle. If you ask me, that says we're going to the moon. However, I like these candles more at the tops of trends. So what do I mean or at the bottoms of trends? So when you're coming down, I like to see that hammer candle here, right? With the body here. That's what I like to see at the bottom of a trend. Okay, that means exhaustion, possible push up. At the top here, we're looking for beautiful solid candles. Oh, I'm hitting too many buttons here, man. I'm hitting too many buttons, sorry. We're looking for solid candles, like these ones, right? Solid candles, bullish continuation, beautiful to the upside. However, we got this hammer candle to deal with, okay? Right? Otherwise, we're looking for this candle at the top of trends, where, you know, that shooting star, I think they call it, and that means downside, right? So this one looking very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. Oh, yeah. So I got an email this morning. I renewed. I got the 5-second chart now. So just in case you guys want to go to the 5-second chart, we got it. Okay. So TradingView. Not to shill, but to shill, you know. TradingView. Black Friday sale. 70% off Black Friday sale. Okay. This is an affiliate link. Please note, friends, I do not need you to use it. Okay. But I get this deal every year. Black Friday. Get it while it's hot, okay? Black Friday, 70% off, $200 for the premium. I got it, okay? I got it, okay? I surrendered to the premium, so now we can have 1,000 billion charts open without it loading and probably crash my computer. However, we have a very strong and fast computer, so we'll be okay. We'll be okay. So yes, TradingView, go get it. Not financial advice, but you know, a good TradingView helps you. It's a tool. I think we should all have it. The free version, I survived on the free version while I was learning to trade for a year, right? So it's not, you know, you don't need to pay for it, okay? You don't need to pay for it. If you're new, you need to learn how to use it. And then you can add to it as you know. And eventually it should become a write-off, right? If you're trading, it should become a write-off. I should be writing it off this year, hopefully. Oh, that coffee is good this morning, I tell you. So Mr. Pollo's looking at algo to breakout, okay? We're also looking over to the left here at my trading screen. Trade setups are as such, okay? So let's go to 15-minute here. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of a whole bunch of things here. And, you know, right now, we got some levels and stuff like that, and we've marked it out. Really, what I'd like to see right now is see how we react really at this level down here. Okay, so we're looking at this red line here. The red lines on my charts are more significant. Okay, so you got your red line here, your red line here, and we're stuck in the middle with you. So we're looking for a swing failure pattern to the upside. Come grab some liquidity up here. Okay, and we're also looking for the golden pocket retracement level around some key volume here around 36,920. Right now, I'm not trading this range, but I am aware of this range. We could be looking for a possible short entry for a scalp and let it run here. But I'm not really prepared to take that yet. I'm looking around 315. Yeah, 37,315, around there, if we're going to pop up and get a continuation to the downside. However, we are flagging out after this massive move, so we're going to watch that very, very closely and see what transpires over the next couple hours. Okay, we're not jumping into any trades right away, right? We got to kind of wickety watch this for now. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. However, I'm just being patient right now. One thing to note, guys, is below here, we go over to our CMEs. Our CMEs, we got a nice gap, my friends. We got a nice gap. So that's something to keep note of, is that we do have a nice gap below us, okay? We created a gap after such a high move on Sunday, okay? So on Sunday, if you get a big move, expect a gap on Monday, okay? Expect a gap on Monday, and we got that gap. So we're looking for this to come back and be filled. However, we do have gaps below us, so it's not 100% certainty. However, we will look to fill this up before heading upwards, okay? So just be aware of where the gap is. We all like a good gap. I know you guys are rude, so we'll go with the good gap. And we're looking at that. So that's kind of what we're looking at in general this morning. Just being patient right now, letting the price come to us, right? Right now, you can see we're simply flagging out. Wee, and we're bouncing in between here. So we'll see if we can come down to some key support, fire off a long, or if we can get a swing failure pattern and fire off a short, vice versa. Just need to be patient right now and let price come to us, because it's very much in the middle of this trend, right? You can see that? Okay? Look at that beautiful drawing skills. Oh, yeah. It's almost like I should have just used this tool right here and gone like this. However, you know, sometimes I like to draw, okay? Sometimes I like to draw. So we're looking at that this morning, just being patient, sitting on our hands, and waiting for price to come to us, okay? So be very, very aware of what has to come, okay? So what else do we have? This week is very, very, very interesting. We don't have a ton of news. But we do have FOMC minutes, okay? So we have minutes on Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday are the big days, okay? Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, Thanksgiving, guys. So American Thanksgiving, they decided to shut down the markets. Just so you guys know. So Thursday, everybody's going to be, what's that shit in Turkey? Tryptophan. I think it's tryptophan. Is it tryptophan? Let me know if it's tryptophan. So that shit that makes you tired in Turkey. So everybody is going to be lazy on Thursday. What's going on, BT, man? Gang, Otter Gang. What's going on, my man? Hope you're having a great day, B-Team Crypto. Much love to you. So Thursday, the markets are going to be quiet. And Bitcoin's probably going to pop off, okay? Bitcoin's probably going to pop off. So Thursday, markets shut down, and then a half day on Friday. So Thursday, markets will shut down, half day on Friday. I'll repeat. Thursday, markets are going to shut down, half day on Friday. And that means that, you know, Bitcoin is going to do something on those days. So maybe we can expect a little volatility in the Bitcoin markets because everything else is shut down. And people are probably going to be like, I want to trip off the fan. You know? Watch the fan while tripping, okay? I don't know. Okay, so Tuesday, we got minutes. Wednesday, okay, you say durable goods, whatever. But Wednesday, however, let's go into the Discord here. Wednesday and Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday mostly. We got Zoom today after close, so we're going to see some volatility hopefully in the markets because Zoom is giving their earnings, but we got NVIDIA, man. We got NVIDIA on Tuesday after close, so Wednesday could be volatile in the morning, okay? Lowe's, Best Buy, okay? There's some good ones here, guys. So, yeah, Thursday and Friday, whatever, right? So Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be earnings. NVIDIA after close. That'll be interesting to see, guys. So we're just kind of getting ready, you know? We're kind of getting ready now. So let's prepare. Let's prepare. That's what we do Monday. We get ready to kick some ass. Do a little beatbox. Say good morning to everybody. Drink lots of coffee. I'm running low already, man. This is not good. It's not good. This is not good. So let's go through Bitcoin. Okay, so we got this weekly bullish candle, sus as bleep, as Darren Does Things would say. So we got a bullish candle. Hammer time. Hammer time. Okay, ice, ice, baby. Looking to curl over this weekly. However, we can see that the VWAP is starting to curve at the zero line, starting to curve. Could it be reloading? Okay, we want to see what happens here over the next week. Are we going to get that curvature to the downside, or are we going to kind of keep going like this? Very possible, okay, very possible for a lot of things here. No big signals besides this bullish green dot that's pushing us up right now, okay? So we flip to the 5-day, and we're finally getting a print, not printed, a print on the red dot here, okay? So we're getting a red dot looking at us being like, hey, we could be going down. We could be going down. We're very overbought, okay? We're very overbought. VWAP's crossing the zero line. Money flow's coming out, okay? So very suspect, okay? We got the bullish news yesterday with Argentina. You know, this guy, you know, looks a little cuckoo to me, but looks like he wants to do some things, right? So bullish news nonetheless. So 4-day confirmed red dot. Money flow is still coming out and VWAP is below the zero line. We have a confirmed red dot, and we are very much overbought. Meaning there is a possibility for downside, right? We're oscillating, right? We're oscillating. We're looking at the oscillator objectively. We can see the nice curvature here and the nice round top here. So what does that mean? We want to come like this, right? And we want to see that retracement, right? Come down a bit, then go up more. That's the one, right? Come down a bit, then go up more. That's what we want to see. That's what we would like to see. And where are we looking for these areas to come down? Well, we have two key levels that we're looking for areas to come down. We have 1,000 levels. Don't get it twisted, okay? So we'll put those on. We'll stretch this out so we can see here. We do have this red box below us here. So this red box below us here is critical. Is critical. If we fall down, we look for this to hold us up, okay? Hold us up. So if we fall down below here, we're between 35 and between beautiful 34, okay? So we're in between there, right? We traded in here for a couple weeks, you can see, right? And now we've shot up and we're kind of up in here now, right? So we're climbing, right? And if we do fall, right? If we do fall, don't worry. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. We're okay. Too far, Alex O'Crypto. Too far, you silly man. Okay, 32.8 and that beautiful 31.8. Okay, 32.8, 31.8. Keep it simple, stupid, as they say. Kiss. 32.8, 31.8. So we know kind of where we think we're gonna fall if we do fall. However, Bitcoin is relentless right now. Okay, supply shock, adoption, all that stuff. Bitcoin's put up for adoption now, man. It's for Rizzle. Is that allowed to say on YouTube, for Rizzle? What's going on, Schaefer? Much love to you, brother. Hope you're having a great day. Darren Does Things, man. That's a line I need to use on the girls. If you go down a bit, I'll go up more. I like it. Filth. Absolutely filth. Oh, man. Good morning to you guys. Good morning to you guys. Now, what are you guys saying with the polls here? You guys are saying, we got 11 viewers here and 8 likes. Let's get that up, please. We got superpowers, degen trading, work, eat, sleep, crypto, roller skates up mountains. Now, if you're an OG in this place, you know that we wear roller skates going up mountains, okay? You know that we wear roller skates, roller blades, roller skates, whatever you want to say. You know, Crypto Pollo, you're right on par, brother. You're right on par. You guys are saying superpowers, man. Are you shooting spaghetti out of your fingers? You got laser fingers? I'm watching you guys on that poll there. That's Dirty Dancing, baby. Sorry, I'm late. Had to yell at the XRP influencers this morning. What is XRP doing, man? What does XRP do? You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. Morning price action filth. That's the one, man. We love it. We love it here. We love it here. It's nothing's too dirty for Alex O'Crypto. Whatever. We don't give a rat's ass, really. As long as you're not offending anyone, you're being kind, and you're having a good laugh, I mean, do what you want, man. Do what you want. This isn't like, a padded room where we need to be safe, okay? We can all be a little bit raunchy here. Being a degen trader my whole life and still gonna be. That's right, Whiskey. That's right, Whiskey. Apparently, decentralization is new to some of these folks. What? XRP is decentralized, isn't it? I don't think so. I don't think so. Anyways, you guys make me laugh. Thank you for making me laugh every morning. I appreciate every single one of you. We got to 500 subscribers, guys. We're growing. So thank you guys so much for being here. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, man. We're coming at you Monday to Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Before market opens, two market opens, because Pollo gave me shit last week and said, you know what, you got to go to 9:30, man. So we're going to go to 9:30. Sorry, Pollo. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to help, you know what I mean? Just trying to help. Now let me know. We always seem to get out our toys here. What do you guys think about this guy? I found this the other day. Let me know. Look at this thing. Classic toy, okay? This is from the 90s, baby. It's got the little shooting hands. And it's got rollerblades, man. It's got rollerblades, man. Its teeth glow in the dark. Okay? I'm here for the nostalgic, too, okay? I'm here for the nostalgic. I was around the dog, my friend's dog, all yesterday, so my nose is running. I apologize for that. So let's jump into it. We're at the 4-day. We've only made it to the 4-day now. We're doing the top-down analysis like we do every morning. So we're at the 4-day. Red dot confirmed. Looking to curl over. We'll have to wait and see, okay? We'll have to wait and see. If you really want to get into it, we can get into the 15-second and look at that. Just so you guys... If you want to bounce back and forth, we'll get into the 15-second. The 5-second gives me anxiety, okay, my friends? The 5-second gives me anxiety. You took the algo trade. Breakout to the upside? Whew. You're a brave man. You're a brave man, Pollo. Okay. So, we're going through the top-down analysis here. Now, the 3-day, man, this divergence is going to dump on our asses. I have this feeling. I got a feeling that we get in this big divergence. We're going to scare everybody. And then we're going to be like, yeehaw! Hello, TM. Hello. I like the discreet hello. Hello. How are you doing? So, 3-day, red dot confirmed. Money flow's still sick, right? And you see this little bit of a posturing here to the upside with the VWAP, okay? This is thing. VWAP first, okay? VWAP looking like it's posturing upwards. Money flow's still peaking, man. Still peaking, right? It hasn't come down yet. This has a possibility to continue upwards after yesterday's bullish news. I am long algo also. Man, what's with you guys all being long algo? I hope you're long from 12 cents. Yo, Wayne C. What's going on, man? What's going on, Wayne C? What do you guys see here that I don't see in algo? You guys are all like algo happy, man. Obviously, algo's got room to move. It hasn't moved yet. It's got room to the upside. Absolutely. I agree. Hasn't completely popped off. We have bullish momentum coming up. Oh, yeah. Okay. Triple top, man. Triple top. Triple top. You guys are playing with fire, man. You guys are playing with fire. I will send prayers. How about that? That's what I got for you guys, okay? I'll send prayers. Anyways. I pray for you guys, okay? I pray for you guys. I've sent the prayers, okay? Triple top. You know what I smell? I smell this. I'm such a party pooper, man. Such a party pooper. Get back to Bitcoin, Alex. Stop being an asshole. You've been watching AJ Wright's Crypto. Yeah, that's great financial advice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to... Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. I can't keep up with chat. You guys are too fast. This is what I mean about getting over 500 subscribers. Just too much reading going on. Rodney Cowden, how's it going, man? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Man. So the 3 days cooling off. The 2 day is ready to rocket ship, man, in my opinion. What are the recent hype coins? Well, recently, I think Alex Becker's been hyping AVAX. I gave the AVAX setup yesterday, okay? Don't say I don't give you altcoins, because I gave you altcoins, okay? My target was way too high, but my entry was Fuego, okay? My entry was Fuego. 10% move on Algo. Setup given in advance, okay? Don't say I didn't, because I did. Join us in the free Discord, okay? Look at this, Algo. Look where Algo was, okay? I was right there. Just saying. I just... Okay. 2 day cooling down. Good morning.
Good morning, Alex.
That's my lovely grandmother saying good morning. Guys, say good morning to Grandma, okay?
Good morning, guys.
Okay, so now we're coming up on the 2 day. Cooling off, there's room to the upside, and the posturing is to the upside as well. Okay? So we can see, if we look at this, the VWAP wants to cross over. Money flow is coming to the upside. And we're looking for the continuation here, okay? We're looking for the continuation here. We've come from the oversold. Alex Hill Crypto, they said good morning.
Okay.
They're probably like, you're living in your grandma's basement. What a loser.
No, not really.
I could move out any second.
We don't want him to.
They don't want me to. I came home to take care of them. Really. I was living in Australia for a year, and now I'm back in Canada. And Grandma and Granddad are 87 and 86. And, you know, I got to come home. I get to blow the leaves. I get to, you know, clean up the dishwasher, do the dishes. I fixed the sink. I put grab bars in their washroom. I'm a carpenter by trade, so I put grab bars in their washroom. I helped install grab bars throughout the house. So, you know, I've come home. You know, my grandfather, he used to do all this stuff, but he's not able to anymore. He's it's not like impaired or anything. He can still walk and stuff, but he can't do what he used to, man. It makes me sad, but however, I get to be of service to them. Me and Mrs. Otter are looking to move out after the winter so we can shovel the snow and stuff for them, and then we'll have to talk to the family about getting them a landscaping crew, because they're in a bungalow, but it's a lot of work for them. So I'm grateful for them. However, it's hard to see because they help raise me. So family first, take care of the family. And that's why we're home, basically. That's why we're home. Yeah. Gets me a bit emotional. I get to spend last night watching the football game with my grandfather, And he took $5 off of me, the friggin' old wop. He's an Italian, eh? Augusto. Mr. Luigi. Yeah. Anyways, I'm in near Toronto. That's where I am in Canada, near Toronto. Toronto. I'm from Toronto, man. Born and raised in Toronto. So yeah, going to the 2-day, cooling off, looking to pump to the upside, guys. Looking to pump to the upside. Now we got this like triple top thing forming. I haven't on the daily. So we're on the daily here. We got this triple top thing forming. I'm not quite sure what to make of this yet. Okay, so we got this thing kind of forming here. Money flow is relentless. Okay, money flow is relentless, right? VWAP has crossed over, right? So we had that bullish news yesterday, and we got the pump. What's going on, Elo Brown? Thank you for being here, Elo. Much love to you, my friend. DDT misses his grandparents. Yeah, that's the one, man. That's the one, man. My grandfather, I played a lot of baseball as a kid, and I used to throw curveballs and hit my granddad in the shin like over and over and over again, man. Oh, man. Oh, too funny. Let's fucking go, Alex. You treasure these moments with them and don't move out too quick. Trust me, both my grandparents are gone, and I don't regret any of the time I spent with them. Much love. Thank you, Schaefer. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that, My granddad thinks I'm nuts. He's like, yo, you're a millionaire, you gambler. That's what he says. Oh, man. Let's head to Detroit. That's awesome. That's awesome. Come down to Windsor. I'm going to see Tool tonight, guys. You guys like Tool? I'm going to a concert tonight. Tool time today. We're going to see Tool tonight. Let's go see him. I'll share some clips in the Alex is a Tool. Danny Carey on the drums, baby. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, I am a Tool. Absolutely. Absolutely I'm a Tool, man. I'm so excited, man. It's going to be awesome. Awesome. Don't you dare follow me to the Tool concert. I will find you. I have a specific set of skills. Oh, man. So we got this triple top forming where we're looking for it to cool off. However, we got that news which pushed us up. VWAP to the upside. VWAP to the upside. Okay, so we're looking for this to push over and continue upwards. However, we're stuck at this like 37,150 bull flag right now, right? Right? So let's flip through here to the 12-hour, okay? To the 12-hour. Now, we got some levels here. So what I've been doing, looking at this objectively, is we got this beautiful trend line coming up here, okay? So I continue to move a box along the bottom of it, as price action moves sideways, I move this box along this trend line here. So we're looking for the swing failure pattern down and a continuation upwards, okay? Alex, it's Black Friday. Let's get you on Chart Prime, my friend. Huh? I've never tried Chart Prime. I think Army Piper uses Chart Prime. However, I'm pretty happy with Market Cipher B. I don't know. What do you guys think? Chart Prime? I'm not. I think an oscillator is an oscillator. I like money flow, though. However, I'm always up to trying new things. So that's a consideration. Maybe I'll talk to Piper and get some experience because, you know, you never want to make a decision without some experience behind you. So it's always good to have friends. That's why you join us in the Discord and you get multiple looks because everybody's looking at everything. You get 10. This is what the whole channel is about, right? You look at Brewberry. Congratulations, Brewberry is now a moderator. But you get all these different ideas of people sharing their charts, okay? And when people share their charts, even Schaefer's charts, okay? Even Schaefer on his 1 second charts can help you guys out, okay? So join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. All free, man. All free. Everything here is free. Everything here is free. Okay? I watched it way too long. It was pulling me down. Okay, so we're looking for this trend line to hold. However, if we lose it, we know the levels above you. I've given you those levels, not above you, below you, okay? Crimson Caravan Company. Down. Oh. So we go through here and we're looking at this area to hold. However, I am looking right now for a little bit of a rejection downwards and then a continuation upwards. That's kind of what I'm looking for. However, I got some trade setups that I gave at the beginning of the stream, and I'll give them again now. Okay, so we're at the 1 hour here, and those trade setups are as such. Where I'm looking for a swing failure pattern around 37,660, and then a swing failure pattern down to 36,920. We also note that we have a CME gap below us here that we're looking to fill. Okay, so we're aware of that. You can see the CME gap here on Bitcoin futures. So we're looking to fill that gap as well. So what we would like to see is after a move like this, flagging out, pop down, continuation upwards, okay? I'm just sitting on my hands right now. Sitting on my hands. I was looking at 306 possibly for a short. Didn't get up there. So just being patient on that. So what can we see here also on Market Cipher beyond the 12 hour is that the money flow is slowly coming out. Okay, we can see a decline on the money flow, which does mean that we could be actually looking to curl back down right now. Okay, we've come up for the liquidity above us, in my opinion. We had liquidity above us. We haven't gotten all the way up here to 38,000 that we got to from before. However, we have come up quite significantly to grab some of the tops up here. So I think that is sufficient. And then where else is the liquidity? And it's down here, okay? There's liquidity down here. So for me, if we're looking for the hunt of liquidity, we're looking down below us, not so much above us. However, we want to be careful. So money flow is coming out. Posturing to the downside with the VWAP on the 12 hour. This momentum wave does have room. However, you can see the stochastics are separating and starting to point down as well. Now flipping to the 8, similar thing. The 4, now the 4 here is where I get my bearish sentiment from. Okay, so 4 has been very, very good to us with the trigger waves, with the moves up, moves up, moves up. Okay, so just if you traded the 4-hour trigger waves along this, we have been noting this all the way through this. If you just trade these 4-hour, that isn't a trigger wave, but if you just traded these, you'd be doing pretty well for yourself, okay? You'd be doing pretty well for yourself. You can see how they have played to the upside, bango, bango, Django, whatever you want to call it, but there's been some nice moves, okay? So we're getting the opposite here. We're getting the opposite where when we get them up top, Look at this. We're getting quite a move down. Okay, so you can see that this 4-hour hasn't printed yet, but it's looking to curl down as well. So this is very concerning for a downside move. Okay, we're looking at that as well. Okay, flipping down to the 3-hour. Now we are confirmed. Okay, we are confirmed. A little bit of a blow up top. We have this double top kind of thing forming here. So we're looking for this to possibly push us down. So we need to be patient here and wait for confirmation signals to continue lower. We could drop right now, okay? We just need to be patient, in my opinion, okay? We need to be patient. Because naturally, after a move like this, especially on the weekend, we want to see it come back and then continue upwards, okay? However, with the way the market has been moving lately, so sporadically, grabbing a lot of trades, right? It's very important to pay yourself early in this environment and get out, okay? Get out. We took a beautiful trade on the weekend, on the live from here. We grabbed this top perfectly, and we got out like here, okay? And we paid ourselves, right? We paid ourselves. We could have rode it out down further, of course, but we paid ourselves, okay? And we grabbed a nice, beautiful trade here. This is actually looking like it might want to roll over as we stream right here. Let me check out my... Yeah, we're coming down. We're coming down now. 36,930 is my next kind of... Yeah, so we're looking for that 36,920-ish area. Make sure we get the confirmation, though. We want the confirmation. What's the confirmation? Bearish, bullish divergence, exhaustion. So we're not going to trade the initial dip. We'll probably trade this one here. Okay? If we do come down here. We're all cheering for Schaefer because we know he's in a long or in a short. His entry is 1, 2, 3 in the place to be, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you do that on purpose? Did you do that on purpose, Schaefer? 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. Pow. Dropping like it's hot, man. Blasting right through that trade setup. Whew. Wow. Look at that, guys. On the live. Dumping on him. Dumping on him. Schaefer with the call. Just an idea, right? These are just ideas. Look at that. Perfectly down to our level below us here at 36,600. Massive push to the downside. Volume coming in, guys. Let's get into it. On the 1 minute chart here. We can go to the 5 second if you guys want. Holy shiitake mushrooms. Look at the volume coming in, baby. Wow. Wow. Bitcoin dumping on people's asses. Dumping on people's asses. What a move down. What a move down we're getting. Whee! Schaefer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eh? That's pretty cool. Good morning, Mrs. Otter. Are you going for a walk? Okie dokie. I love you. Walk safely. Okay. Bye-bye. Big dumpski on beautiful Bitcoin this morning. How we all feeling about that? Like we said, this market's been sporadic, man. It's coming down to grab people out of their trades. So if you're long, it came for you. It came for you quick. Okay? It came for you quick. Knocking people out. This doesn't mean we can't see a continuation to the upside. Okay? However, I'm not trading this. No bueno. No bueno for me. No bueno for you. Okay? Holy smokes, Batman. 36.7 got an NPOC from yesterday. I mean, I had that perfectly marked out below here. That would have been a nice entry, wouldn't it? That would have been a nice entry. Wow, what a move, eh? What a move. It shows you why you use a stop loss. Is that not enough evidence for all those people who think you can't trade without a stop loss? Is that not enough evidence? Maybe you can get away with that. But within 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you got that drop. 10 seconds, you get liquidated. Okay? Do you got 10 seconds? Ask yourself that. Right? Do you got 10 seconds? I don't think you do. Okay? Set that stop loss right away. You should have a stop loss before you even enter the trade. Where are you going to put that stop loss, right? It's very, 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 very important. Did the gap get filled? No gap filling on CME. No gap filling. CME is still flat, man. CME is still flat. That's interesting to see. $36,657 to be exact. Crypto face is in a 5 mil long right now. It doesn't mean we can't bounce right now. Doesn't mean we can't bounce. Hopefully he's doing okay. However, that was a nasty dump, man. Nasty dump. Nasty. Too much chili last night, guys. Why is this showing? Hide that taskbar. Whew. Are they just going to grab people down here, or are they going to move up? That's the question, right? That is the question. Right now it's hovering right around our area where we were looking for the initial trade. Could possibly get a move still. Okay, could possibly get a move still. We got the 1 hour curl over the dump ski coming back down to grab these people who are in their longs from yesterday. It came down. Can we continue downwards? Absolutely. Let's just be patient here and see what the rest of this market gives to us. If there's any alts, guys, let me know in the chat. We've been making tons of altcoin videos. I'm going to do Algo, Atom, and H-Bar next. But we have tons of Binance and Coinbase just dumped. Got it on unusual volume. Huh. Wow. Okay. That's interesting. That's very interesting. We're coming back up here. Coming back up here. We got the dump down, but wow. That's interesting. That's interesting. So what else can we see here? So let's go into the 24. 2430. Where are we sitting? VWAP. VWAP's up here, so we're probably coming back up. Interesting. Interesting. You can see the exhaustion wicks here, so it is looking quite bearish, but we're popping back up, man. This is dropped out of this quite hard. Coming back to retest and continue downwards. Right? Got some ideas here. Got some ideas. However, want to be very cautious. Want to be very cautious. Massive pop back up. Okay, this is not no namby-pamby move. This is a 1% move early in the morning. I think that's why also setting take profits along the way is very important as well. That dump was 30 mil BTC volume on ZoomX. Wow. That's wild. Let's go over Bitcoin liquidation here. Long. 1 hour wrecked. Total liquidations 14 million. Long 13 million. 13 million long liquidations just there. So they're hunting, guys. They're hunting. They're hunting, okay? They are hunting everybody. No one is safe. No one is safe. No one is safe. My God. That's vicious, man. That's vicious. So you can see the retest coming back up. Possible continuation, right? So retest came back up. Like, to me, you got to look at this like there's momentum, right? So we can see we got this breakout up here, coming back, retesting, break of momentum here, retest of the highs, coming up to a key level of resistance that we had marked out on our chart. There's your entry, right? Continuation to the downside, right? That's your overall picture, in my opinion, right? Because if we popped off from here, that would have been continuation, right? Continuation of this uptrend, right? So cautious, right? Cautious here. I ain't trading this. I was looking at 360 this morning for a short. For a short scalp. That would have been a nice short scalp. And that was just basically a fib from here to here. 360, right? Around here. Didn't come, right? Didn't come up. No bueno, right? Looking for the continuation. This was uncertain for me. That was very spiky. Look at this. Came back, retested. No bueno either. Okay, so look for us to trickle down here. Just no need to FOMO, right? Some days, no trade is better than a trade, okay? I've learned the hard way. You will too if you don't listen. It's up to you. It's not financial advice. It's just experience, right? Going through this constantly. Because I like to scalp. I'm intraday trader where I can come in and out, make my money and exit. And I don't play around, right? So for me, there was no setup here. There's no setup here. Yeah, we had that one down here. That was just an idea. And look, we had this level set out. It's hanging out down here, right? It's not like this level isn't respected. It is. It's just we got massive volume. They're hunting longs from this run here, which is to be expected. We got a little mini BART pattern here. Bang, right? Tino, the market maker, would say we're coming back to recover these candles, you know? So just understanding the way the markets work. You know, nothing is in a straight line, guys, right? Nothing is in a straight line. That's why we get in, we pay ourselves, and we look for the next trade, right? TRD Farmer, what's going on, man? I'm going to Tool tonight, Farmer. Tool tonight. Farmer, are you driving down, man? Farmer, are you driving down? If you drive down, I'll buy you a damn ticket, man. Gotta head out. Gotta call in less than 10 minutes. Catch up tomorrow. Much love, Darren. Thank you so much for coming through, man. Much love to you, brother. Much love to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Darren. I appreciate you. TRD Farmer, we're going to the concert, man. We're going to the concert, man. I'm so stoked. I booked this in Australia, okay? I booked this concert when I was in Australia. I'm so excited. Let's look at some other things. So did we get ETH dump here? We get an ETH dump here? Not really. Well, I guess so. What can we say here? 2% move on ETH. You're going to have an epic night. Your soul will be ignited. It will be. Mitchell Quinn, welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. It's 9:30 here, but whatever afternoon it is for you, thank you so much for being here. Much love. Mitchell Quinn in the chat. Yeah, I'm excited, Farmer, man. I can't wait. Okay, you can see ETH. This is actually quite nice to see. ETH is, respecting this downtrend here, which is, in my opinion, which is a definitely a bull flag, right? Definitely a bull flag. Definitely a bull flag. This 1922, that year 1922, it's holding up quite nicely. So look for that to continue to hold this support level. And if we continue sideways, I mean, you just draw a very simple channel here. Like you like and subscribe to the channel. You look for this to be respected, okay? Look for this to be respected. Wick straight down to the uptrend support line. That's the one, man. That's the one. Look at this. Look at this. To the T, man. To the T we had it marked out, right? To the T we had it marked out. We were looking for the long down here yesterday. Didn't take it. Should have taken it. You know, there's many things, but we were out with family yesterday, so that's okay. Family first, charts later. Sometimes you got to do charts first, depending on what's your priority. Whew, 200. I like the 200 on the 30 minute. So we got the 200. Look at that. Oh, you can't write that on the 30 minute. You can't write that, guys. Moving average. 200 moving average. Okay. Look at that. On the 30 minute, the 200 moving average is pretty nasty. Okay. On the 30 minute. Look, bang. There's another one. It's very. Whew, that's crazy. Okay. That's beautiful. That's some John Wick shit there, okay? Mr. Booba Yaga there. Yeah, no trade for me right now. Looking for the retest of this 55. Just being patient, man. It's Monday. We got that bullish Argentinian news. Got a lot of uncertainty in the market, right? With this BlackRock ETF and shit like that. Like, it's not coming till January, so are we going to dump now? Right? All this hype, is it going to cool off? Just saw the TradingView Black Friday offer this morning. Not sure if I want premium, but for the extra $1. So I bit the bullet. I got the premium. I'm on the 5-second chart right now, farmer. Yeah, this is an affiliate link. Please note, friends, I don't need your money, okay? It's just here. Just so you guys are aware. Just so you guys are aware. Black Friday sale, baby. Every year I get it on Black Friday. That's the only way to do it. I think it's good for the next 4 days. So if you sit on it and think, farmer, man. Like, I used the free one for about a year. Then I got the basic one, and then now I've got the premium one, right? And now it's a write-off for me. So for me, it makes sense for me to just get the premium one because it's a write-off because I trade full-time and it's registered. However, I use the free one forever, okay? Forever. But if you are serious about trading, I do believe you should, you know, I'm a carpenter by trade. I ain't going to go and buy, you know, some Mickey Mouse tape measure, right? I ain't going to go and buy some Mickey Mouse hammer from the dollar store. I'm going to invest in my trading journey by buying the right tools, okay? By going to C-Tool and buying the right tools. I'll use that. Don't worry about using a link. It's okay, man. It's okay. We pride ourselves here on not needing your money. Everything is for free here, man. Everything is for free. So it's just to bring awareness to the group. Wow. Schaefer, what's going on, man? We're back to where we started this morning, bro. Huge vector recovery. You're Ryobi all the way. I'm a DeWalt guy, man. I'm a DeWalt guy. You know what's good, though, farmer? As a cheap tool guy, Mastercraft, okay? But Mastercraft has a guaranteed, lifetime guarantee. So anytime, like, I will buy a Mastercraft sander and I will destroy it. And then I'll bring it back and get a new one. Okay? Do I long or short, says Lunar Beaches Crypto. Schaefer, what's going on, man? You told them to dump it. Now they're pumping it. Do you long or short? You don't do anything right now. This is a load of bullshit, in my opinion. You don't trade this. As a trader, you see this, you go, not today. Not today, Tony. We go over to our trading. What are we gonna short or long this right now? Come on, guys. I was looking 36 C3706 over here. I was looking for that Fibonacci. Where's that Fibonacci golden packet, man? That Fibonacci. We pulling it from here. Right there. All right? We're looking for it. Look at this shit. We ain't trading this today, man. I ain't trading this today. We're coming back up, man. We're coming back up. You got some rigid as well? Oh my god. You got rigid? Do I long or short? I like all the tools except Ryobi. Yeah. I like Hilti, best hammer drills ever. Hilti, hands down, cordless hammer drills, best ever, okay? Besides that, Hilti shit. Besides their hammer drills. Then DeWalt's like, you could throw that shit off a bridge, it still works, okay? DeWalt will still work. It sounds like a tractor. It doesn't sound like a Makita. It doesn't sound like, it's like, brrr, okay? But it'll last you forever, okay? Look at this. We're pumping, baby. Wow. Wow. Milwaukee's are I'd say Milwaukee's just for pretty boys, okay? Milwaukee's that red pretty boy shit. However, I can't bash them. They're pretty innovative. Innovative. Okay? Don't fight the trend, man. We're pumping. We're pumping, guys. We're talking about tools and we're crypto traders. I'm going to C-Tool tonight. Oh my god, guys. Steve H has just woken up. Guys, we're having a knighting ceremony. Okay? We are having a knighting ceremony. Oh my god, Steve H just woke up. Everybody. Everybody. Steve H. Steve H is in the chat. Okay? Okay, we are going to get the sword. I'm going to get the sword. I will be right back. I am going to get a sword. We are knighting Steve H. Okay? We are about to knight Steve H. Okay? Mr. Brewberry himself. I will be right back. I will be right back. Yo, this man's got a real sword. We now are here to pronounce our beautiful friend of the channel, Mr. Steve H. We have a real sword that is a decorative, memorable sword here of the channel. We would like to thank you, Mr. Steve, for your lovely service, your kind words, your beautiful charts, and your uncanny, unrelentless kindness and love to the Otter Gang. For this, we make you a Modder Otter. Congratulations, Steve H., on your first wrench. Do 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 do. We want to see that comment, Steve H, with the wrench. You no longer have the linesman pliers. We have a sword. Yes, we do. Now I must go put the sword back. Yoo-hoo! Let's go! Woo, 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 woo. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Steve H. Brewberry in the chat. I'm even clicking the party button. That's how we roll, man. Otter gang. Much love. Thank you for being an amazing otter. I'm going to go put the sword back. Yeah. Oh, man. That was fun. It's a late night promo for commemorative swords. That's the one, man. That's like straight up from England. That's a straight up. You should see it. I'll take a picture of it. It's got actually a cool like engraving along the blade and everything like that. It's a pretty sweet ass sword. Congratulations, Steve. Thank you so much for your support. We love you, man. We love you, and thank you for being a good person. Kindness is rare these days. Kindness is rare. That's why we build a group on kindness and camaraderie. You know, all those things. Just trying to change the narrative, and thank you for being a part of that. Thank you for being a part of that. Schaefer, you better be out of that long, man. You better be out of that long. They're coming for you. Awesome. Awesome. So it's 9:37. We missed the open. That's okay. We're here for Steve. I'm bullish on Steve. Market opens here. Let's take a look-see. How did we open up this morning? No gap. Looking bullish on S&P, baby. Dixie's dumping. NASDAQ. So we've created a lot of gaps on the way up here. I'm cautious about this, right? Yeah, bullish, bullish, bullish. Look at the stock market's flying, right? Look at all the gaps we're creating. Okay, gap, gap, gap. Gaps to the upside. So this is looking bullish. However, we do have a gap above us, okay, that we've created a long time ago. Okay, so this was created all the way back in August 23rd. So doesn't mean they get filled up right away. So we can be coming back for this one up here and only to continue downwards. So that's something to keep note of, just to be aware of. It's not like we're exactly related to the S&P 500, but if the stocks are pumping, we can look for Bitcoin to at least be healthy and moving upwards alongside them, right? Because that means that the Dixie is typically dumping, okay? And we've had a perfect retest that we marked out here. So we had this downwards trend line that we marked out, and then we had the perfect retest, and then the dump back down that we were marking out the day. So we do have some key levels of support below us that we could mark out. However, this is looking quite bearish for the Dixie, okay? Massive, massive dump. And you can just simply put a momentum line straight down here and look for the retest of this momentum line. And until that's broken, we look for a continuation to the downside, okay? Which is bullish for all risk on assets, okay? Money coming out of the dollars into Bitcoin, bullish, 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 okay? Very good to see. So since this morning, we have dumped and pumped right back to where we started, and that's pretty much where we're at. So for me, right now, no bueno, no trade, just going to be patient and wait. I'm looking for a little bit of a swing failure pattern up top, around this 37,660. However, we could be continuing upwards after coming down and grabbing all these longs from the weekend, okay? So a little liquidation here. However, remember, it's a short week, guys. It's a short week. We have Thursday, Thanksgiving. Markets are closed. Friday is a half day for the markets. Wednesday, we have NVIDIA earnings Tuesday night. NVIDIA earnings Tuesday night. So Wednesday could be volatile. Tuesday as well. So we're prepared for that, and we're going to just really have our ear to the ground, be on these charts, and try to help you guys be profitable. Okay? So don't forget, it's Good Friday as well. So all those subscriptions, whatever you're looking for trading, TradingView, Market Cipher, all those things are probably going to be on sale. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this community. I appreciate you. I will continue to update you guys with my trading ideas in the Discord and let you guys know what I'm thinking. However, right now, I'm sitting on my hands. No trade. Just being patient, okay? So thank you guys so much for your support, your kindness, your love. God bless every single one of you. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. You guys are all using your superpowers. Monday is for superpowers, and you guys are my superpowers. So thank you guys so much for being so kind. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Be kind to one another. Touch some grass, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.